I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate. To understand why 2021 will be the best year to sell a single-family home, you first have to understand the pressure that has been on the real estate market for over 5 years. What is driving a sudden increase in demand? What happened to the market in 2019? And why demand will change in 2022. I will explain all of that and give you 3 reasons why this year will be better than next to sell, even when we project home prices to increase in our area in the coming years. For this video today, I will mostly focus on the single-family home market. If you want me to tell you more about opportunities related to condo sales or multifamily home sales, note that in the comments and we can make another video. Now let's chat about low inventory. We see extremely low inventory levels in our area and throughout most of the nation. This is not something new. For well over 5 years, as demand has been slowly increasing, the overall supply has not been keeping up. Then in 2020, the health crisis led to even fewer properties hitting the market and even more people looking for new single-family homes. The lower levels in supply have been due to a number of factors. Low foreclosure rates, new construction not keeping up with potential demand, fewer elderly individuals moving out of their homes, the ability to refinance your home into today's current record low rates, along with a number of other factors. This has all led to the lowest levels of inventory for single-family homes in the past 5 years in many communities. Then when we consider demand for properties has been building up for well over 5 years as well, and some of the reasons for that are historically low interest rates, more and more millennials are beginning to purchase homes, positive job growth and typically low unemployment in the Boston area, the dynamic workforce and a wide range of highly skilled employment opportunities in our region that attract more people to our neighborhoods. Then in 2020, even though the health crisis has devastated the leisure, hospitality, and some of the other service industries throughout our area, higher education, biotech, research, finance, construction, and various other industries have remained extremely strong. In 2019, prior to 2020, we started to see the rate of appreciation of properties dramatically slow. This is something to truly keep in mind. The average values of a single-family homes between 2018 and 2019 in some communities declined, was flat in others, and in some communities increased, but at a much lower rate of appreciation than in previous years. This provided some relief for buyers and drove more to seek a home. When the health crisis hit in 2020, individuals who had job security began looking for homes. People who would have earlier considered maybe buying a single-family home within 2 to 3 years, all of a sudden were shopping for homes. For so many of our buyer clients who were ahead of that massive rush, they lucked out. For others, it has led to what has been a red-hot real estate market filled with multiple offers, aggressive strategies, and just a lack of inventory. This has all led to a historically aggressive market with properties often getting anywhere from 6 to 17 and even over 30 offers. Even though that has actually been taking place in this market for the last 5 years, with well over 10 years of value growth, those previous buyers set the pace for what is now a supersized and aggressive market. So what are those 3 reasons? The 3 reasons why this year should be better to sell than next? Well, sellers will first catch on. When your neighbors see homes trading at super premiums in 2021, they will fix, prepare, and sell their house, increasing supply, and some of the pressure will be relieved from the market. Although, in the end, they will get a great price. Secondly, in 2019, the forecasted appreciation was much slower, and that forecasted the future of the real estate market in Boston. Because of the strength of the economy around us, we will most likely see the appreciation of properties well into the future, but that rate will not be as aggressive at some point. Thirdly, we will at some point see interest rates rise. Though they will probably still be very favorable from a historical sense for quite some time, it will start adjusting the affordability and tone some of that aggressive activity in the market down quite a bit. A bonus reason? Well, buyer fatigue. Buyers are getting tired, and in a world of multiple offers, sometimes not handled well by some agents, by some buyers, and by the people around them, it will lead to some buyers taking time off from their search. So what if you're not ready to sell in 2021? Well, that's perfectly okay. We are really talking to those people who would consider selling in the next 1 to 3 years and encouraging them to move up their timetable. At the core of any major financial decision is how does it fit with your plan and how does it help you achieve your goals? So for many people, now is that time, while for others, it is not. Regardless, we see a lot of positivity in the Boston real estate market, now and in the future. It would be our pleasure to help you navigate the process. If you made it this far in this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and comment. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate.